Another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made these stuffed mushrooms. They're very delicious, very good, and very easy to make. Not a whole lot of work to it, so follow me and I'll show you how I did it. Today we're going to have some stuffed mushrooms, so this is what we got to do first. We got to take this bottom piece off right here, for one thing. You just easily take that off right there, and you want to scrape the inside of there real good, like. We'll come back in a few minutes and I'm going to scrape every one of these insides out to show you what it looks like. So far we're going to oil this down, whatever you got, vegetable oil or olive oil would be best, whatever you can oil it down. A tablespoon of Ricotta cheese. I need 1 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Cup of Parsley plates. Parsley plate. Whatever I can pronounce. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. That'll be about it. A teaspoon of salt. About a half teaspoon of pepper. Okay, we're going to mix this real good. That's what they look like before you go in the oven. And I put a little bit of cheddar cheese on a few of them because I wanted to try it out that way. Anyways, I'm going to put them in the oven for about 25 minutes, maybe more, until they're done. We'll come back and take a look at them. Look at them beauties. I just pulled those out of the ovens and they are going to be delicious. I ain't going to take a bite right now because it scalded my mouth. But when I do, we're going to do a taste test. Okay, we'll come back and let them cool down for a few minutes. Okay, they're done now, and we're going to do a taste test on this. These are beautiful. I want to start with this little one right here. That's good, but it's awfully hot. It's still a little bit hot, but it was good. Very delicious. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more up-to-date videos tomorrow. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notifications of all my other videos. I got over 70 videos up right now, so check them all out. They got good ones. And well, thank you all for watching, and y'all have a great day.